In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front bumper cover on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop the clips out of the bottom of the bumper. Remove the 10mm bolt at the corner of the bumper. This bolt should come out. There's a metal bracket on top of that it screws into, and that metal bracket is spinning with the bolt inside of it, and it ripped our front fender liner apart. There'll be one more bolt. Our shield is broken right here, so we don't necessarily have to remove it. And that bracket is spinning as well. Remove these two bolts, and then go to the other side and do the same thing. Pull the front of the inner fender liner down, and we're going to disconnect the connector for the fog light. There's a push button connector on the back of the fog light. Push the button and remove the connector. Remove the plastic stay off the fog light housing. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're going to remove the Phillips head screw on the corner of this bumper. Remove the screw. Do the same thing on the other side. Grab the corner of the bumper, and we're going to give it a little pull. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the clips in the cowl. Using a trim tool. Remove the top cowl. Remove the plastic clips in the front bumper. There should be one more right here. Do the same thing on the other side. Working our way from the corner of the bumper, we're going to go just under the headlights and pop the clips out from there. And do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bumper. Install the bumper onto the car. I'm going to install the bumper under the headlight. And work our way to the corner, pushing in, making sure the bumper clicks in. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the corner screw for the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. Install the top cowl cover. Install the clips. Install the plastic stay into the fog light housing. And install the fog light connector. Do the same thing on the other side. We're going to tuck this front cover up under the front bumper and install the 3 clips in the front. Pull the inner fender liner flap up inside of the bumper. Install the clip into the front of the plastic. And then you should have 2 10mm bolts that you'll need to install. And do the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.